Here we will see how to design OR gate by using transistors, but at first we will look at the logic of OR gate. So here we have two inputs and we get output. Basically the truth table shows how the OR gate inputs work. So when both inputs are off, only in that moment the output is off or low. If any of the input is high or on, the output will be high or on, and when both inputs are high, the output is high. So if we want to look at the circuit diagram, how we implement it, we can see here that if any inputs are high, the LED or the output will be high. So we will see how it happens. So basically if we see here two inputs A and B, any of the switch is on, so what happens? If A switch is on and B is off, what happens? When A is on, the voltage is supplied to the base of these transistors, and this base to emitter current flow happens. So in that case, this collector will allow to flow current from this collector to emitter. That means another current will flow from this voltage supply across this 2K resistor through this LED and the collector emitter. Okay, so when we see when B is off, the current will still flow from this transistor, from this LED, and same goes for the B input. So if B is on and A is off, so what happens? If B is on, in that case the base to emitter is current flowing, and it allows to flow the current from this 2K resistor to this LED and through this collector to emitter. Okay, so still the current flows, and when both inputs are on, in that case we will also get the same thing. The current will flow through this LED. So we have implemented this circuit diagram into the breadboard. So two NPN transistors are put in here, and the emitters are grounded. The two collectors are common point, and the LED is connected to through 2K resistor and connected to the voltage supply. A input and B input are given to the base of two transistors with switch and 2K resistor. So we can see it here, two NPN transistors, emitters are grounded, the collectors are common, and we see two inputs are taken from the base of two transistors and connected to resistors and to the positive rail. Okay, so we see the positive supply and negative supplies are given, and these two wires we have we've connected the power rails. Okay, so on the other case we see the collector is connected to the LED and LED is connected to the power supply. Okay, now let us test. So A0 B0, in that case we see these both switches are off, so LED is off. So if we turn on any of the inputs, or if we turn on both inputs, the output will be high. We will test it. So A1 B0 LED high, A0 B1 LED high. So if we turn on both input high, the output is high. Okay, so our OR gate is shown here.